Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got an Instagram collab. It's a purple mani. It's happy birthday, George's Nails 83. And it was hosted by Tinkerbell 1970s and Carolyn Archer. So I've started off with Miltix Formula 2 as my base. And here is China Glaze Purple Fiction. Stunning polish. Another one my friend Miss Tammy gave me. I'm working my way through everything. The formula on this was excellent, and the color is to die for. It's such a great purple. It's a nice jewel toned purple. And I'm making quite the mess here today. I'm going to cap my free edge real quick. Got to get Woody out here to help with the cleanup. Hi Woody, how you doing? I'll break out the big end too. There we go. And back to the pointy end. So there we go with one coat. I am going to do a second coat. I apologize that the footage of this is blurry, but it's going to be real quick. So hopefully not too bad. Not too hard on your eyes. Going to get Woody back out there again. I'm going to top it with the Moonshine Mani Let's Go Top Coat. And the reason why is because I just wore this for a day. I wanted to, you know, just wear it on its own. So how pretty is that? Oh, it's just so nice. Love it. Alrighty. Here's a swatch photo of it on its own with its pink shimmer. I'll be using Ejubis 3140 Baby Girl and my Beauty Scraper and my Maniology Stamper. This is Maniology's Unicorn Horn. And I told y'all when I showed these plates that image right there was talking to me. The like hearts piled on top of each other in a straight line. I knew I had to use it, so we're going to do that today. Trying to line it up down the middle of my nails. Cleaning that stamper off on a lint roller, and the plate's getting cleaned with pure acetone. So this plate, I'm going to use another image of it off of here also for an accent nail. But this plate has so many great images. If this had not been a birthday collab video, I might would have just gone crazy and just used all kinds of images off of it. Okay, I missed a spot, so I'm going to go try to smush it in. Ugh. Yay, got it. Sometimes you can save them like that. Alright, one more for the pinky nail. I'll lift that up. I love this plate. It's etched just perfect. There we go. Alrighty. So now I'm going to use this little... It's a very complimentary image to the one that I did on all the other nails, I thought. And that's what I love about these plates also. It's even if you are mixing and matching, you can still do that. Alright, the one little dot did not go on my nail. So here I am, trying to see if I get lucky again. And I don't know why that little dot was worrying me to death, but I ended up adding some sticky to it. Some sticky base. And then I'm going to clean off the rest of this stuff off the stamper. Because all I want is that one little bitty tiny dot right there. And I'm going to get it too because I'm being stubborn today. I wanted it. I mean, you know, just wanted it. Here we go. Come on, girl. Come on. You can do it. Ta-da! Yay. Saved it. So I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and get up this excess polish off from around my nails. And there we go. I am going to top it with the Smudge Free Top Coat from Maniology. I wasn't really worried about this one smearing, but I've kind of just gotten used to it. So I am going to go in now with the Moonshine Mani Let's Go Top Coat and finish this one off. Capping my free edge. So I will leave links to our names and stuff down for the Instagram players down below if you'd like to check them out. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.